Hi, I'm Lawrence. I'm going to discuss with you the concept of data caging for Symbian operating system. This report is a requirement for our advanced operating system subject on our MIT class. Data caging. The idea of data caging is that phones are single user devices, so the emphasis is not on controlling the user's access to files, but on controlling the file access of various processes running in mobile phones. As we all know, mobile phones have limited storage space, slow processors, and limited battery life. These are the disadvantages of mobile phones as compared with desktops and computers. So it is vital that the platform security does not reduce the speed of file access, does not increase power consumption, and does not increase the size of the file itself. So ideally, those three are needed to address the disadvantages noted for mobile devices. But the question is how. They come up with a solution to move away from traditional access control list and replace it with fixed access control policy. The idea here is that the access rule of the file are entirely determined by its directory path regardless of the drive. So based on access rules, four different sets of access rules which is represented by four directory hierarchy under the root of backslash. Number one is the backslash sys. Number two, backslash resource. Number three is backslash private. Number four, all other root files and directories. For the first one, only TCP processes can read and write files under this directory. This directory tree contains data vital to the integrity of the platform, such as executables. Next is the resource. For resource, all processes can be read in this directory, but only TCP can write to them. This directory contains mostly bitmaps, fonts, and helps files that are not expected to change once installed. Private. The file server provides all programs with a private subdirectory under backslash private, regardless of what level of their trust. Only the appropriate process, the TB or the TCP processes and backup server can read and write files in a process's private directory. Other processes may neither read nor write. Last is the fourth one is the all other root files and directories. So basically, these are all completely public spaces. There's no restriction on what a process can do to a file stored in a directory, including the root directory itself. So basically, these are the key terms about um, data caging. For the reference, this is the reference for this report: Symbian OS internals, real-time kernel programming by Jane Sales. I hope you learned something in this short report. Thank you very much.